Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shah Abdul Latif University, a great temple of learning. We, Professor Mohammad Ibrahim Khokar and Hassan Sheikh, we are always thinking for your betterment. Most of the students, when seek admission to Shah Abdul Latif University, they are not clear about their future plans, about their dreams and their translations. They are basically stuck. So many students, after getting their degrees, are not clearly deciding what to do. So I have got Mohammad Ibrahim Khokar Saab, my friend, my brother, a lovely mate. So we are going to ask some questions from Mohammad Ibrahim Khokar Saab. Dear Mohammad Ibrahim Khokar Saab, what students should do after getting their degrees from Shah Abdul Latif University? They are not planning their life in a proper way, proper style. They are stuck in different failures. What suggestion, what remedies do you have for those students?
Thank you, Professor Hassan Sheikh, for giving me this opportunity to talk about future plannings of students. The most important problem that our students face after completing their graduation is the problem of career counseling. Unfortunately, in our universities in Pakistan, we are lacking this important sector. But today we are here to guide our students. Now, the students, as general students, there are a number of fields awaiting them after completing their graduation degrees. For example, the most important field that most of the students always aspire to compete is the field of competitive exams. We have federal CSS, means Central Superior Services Examination, that is competed throughout Pakistan, and then we have Provincial Management Service Examination, that is, have an area of competition within province level. Besides, there are a number of other careers. Means if you will plan your studies well, and if you will plan for these competitive exams, you will get the basic skills of competition. And these skills will ultimately help you in good job hunting. Now, for the students of English literature, what fields await? Let me tell you that most of the students always think of becoming teachers alone. Teaching is very good job, and that is an ideal job. But teaching is not the only future for the students of English literature. There are a number of chances. Let me tell you, these students can be very good writers because they have studied English writers, they have studied international writers. Now the spirit they have got from these writings, that will ultimately help them to be very good writers. They will simply start writing columns in different newspapers, and then they will they will mold themselves into professional writers. Writing is the best earning job these days.
Nice.
Besides writing, they can opt for different, firms. They can opt for, sectors in government. Then there are a number of private sectors. So if a student is competent enough, his door for success are never shut. And this is what I can say with authority on my experience of teaching.
A nice answer you gave, Mohammad Ibrahim Khokar Saab. You gave students the path to become CS officer, PCS officers. Definitely, it's a golden chapter of life. Once they are working hard, they are clear in their actions, and unfortunately, they do not get the desired job. Most of the students go towards failure, disappointment, dejection. They commit suicides. What suggestion, what message do you have for those students who are failure in the series?
Mr. Hassan, very smart question and very important question.
Is there a need of the hour?
It is need of hour to address this question, because number of students after competing for competitive exams, when they face failure, they become victim of dejection. They become victim of disappointment. In life, disappointment is the factor that kills you.
Yes.
Whatever the merit you have got as a human being, disappointment kills all those qualities. So, my dear friends, if you have attempted CSS, PCS and PMS for 3 times and your chances are over, don't get dejected. Still life is there. Still better life awaits you. The experience that you had curled while you were preparing for these competitive exams will definitely help you to compete for other exams. Because in Pakistan, at provincial level and at federal level, every year hundreds of jobs are being offered that a student who has background of CSS and PCS can easily qualify. This is number one. Number two, if you have a university degree and you have studied well in your universities, you can opt for scholarships to complete your MPhils and PhDs. You know, MPhil and PhD means continuing your higher education is one of the best options. And if you guys who are talented enough, who had the muster to compete in competitive exams, if you go through towards these fields, means if you opt for research and you complete your MPhil and then you complete your PhDs and you hunt for scholarships from abroad, if you are competing for, you know, different international scholarships, your future is still bright. And I would like to add, because as a faculty member, I myself strongly believe that education sector, especially higher education, is the best and prosperous sector. And the charms and privileges that a teacher enjoys at university are the best, you know, privileges. And that brings you scholarship, that brings you wisdom, that brings you a lot of privilege in the society. Moreover, students are always advised that they must go for GRE International sort of examinations.
Fulbright scholarship.
Yes, if you are done with GRE International, your doors for international scholarships are open. You know, Pakistan every year sends its students towards Fulbright scholarship in the United States of America. Fulbright is the covetous scholarship. It offers number of greater opportunities for Pakistani students. And once you are Fulbright, you are, you know, a lifetime Fulbright scholar.
Definitely.
It opens you the windows of success. So, dear comrades, never get disappointed. If your chances for competitive exams are done, if your attempts are over, continue living, continue your hard working, continue your smart work, and one day you will be the most successful persons in this planet. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammad Ibrahim Khokar Sahab, for giving students a powerful message that failure, disappointment is the block of life. Just go ahead with a smiling face and get scholarships. Ladies and gentlemen, I must tell you that Mohammad Ibrahim Khokar, before joining Shah Abdul Latif University Khairpur, he remained section officer. He qualified PCS. He has a broad experience, so he always guides students how to opt to CS and PCS. Inshallah, in our next sessions, we will be guiding students how to opt for CS and PCS examination. Thank you so much.